Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition box to unbox with you from Latest in Beauty. And it's a Stella Smart Beauty Volume 2 collection box. Inside this box you'll find 13 products and it has a value of over £200. So let's get into showing you what's inside. This box is sent to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I am on Latest in Beauty's PR list, which I'm really grateful for. They do amazing collection boxes, jam-packed full of products, and smells gorgeous. I can smell something lemony in there. So inside we've got a little leaflet and it details everything about the products. So if I'm stuck on any of the products, I'll refer to this as we go along. You won't see much there, but we'll go through it in more detail. Okay then, so a little bit of information about this box. It's time to get smart with your beauty. The Stella Live and Smart Beauty Volume 2 is here. We've carefully curated premium formulas for you to try. This edit is full of beauty that just makes sense. With a back-in and seal of approval from beauty editor Sonia Haria, this is an edit that's going to make a serious difference to your beauty routine. From world-renowned makeup brands to skincare beauty must-haves, get ready to try a collection that truly encapsulates the best in beauty. First up, we've got a duo, a shampoo and conditioner duo by the brand Shampoo. We've got a Kapha balancing conditioner and shampoo, both 50ml here. Completely new brand, never heard of them before. Apologies if I don't pronounce them right. It says formulated for oily or thick hair that enjoys harmony and shine. There's no information in the booklet. I wonder if they were like added extras. I don't know. I like the fact that we've got a shampoo and conditioner together, so that's good. Next up we've got a hair product. I'm really excited to give this a go. This is Hair by Sam McKnight Easy Updo. It's a texturizing spray, 250ml here. Gorgeous packaging. I love texturizing sprays. I cannot wait to give it a go, see what that is like. Spray a little bit here, just whoa, I just want to smell it. Yeah, that's nice actually. It's not too overpowering. Yeah, that is really lovely. Brilliant. Get a grip that won't slip for a secure hold on ponytails, braids, top knots and any other updos. And it just says shake well before use, spray through dry hair to add texture and volume before styling. So I'm really excited about that. And isn't the packaging gorgeous? So good. Next we've got a product by Grown Alchemist, Anti-Pollution Primer. It's a prebiotic peptide anti-pollution shield complex, Ganoderma extract, and we've got 12ml here. I'm not sure if that's a full size or not. It was quite small, but then it does come in a box like that, so I'm assuming that is full size. Doesn't say anything about it here. No, it just says not only does this primer lock in makeup with ultimate staying power, but it's also silicone free and noticeably increases the skin's hydration whilst also boosting your complexion's natural barrier function for ultimate protection. So there's that. I love these things. We've got an Ishka Organic Seaweed Natural Skincare Shampoo and Body Bar, suitable for all skin types. Yeah, I love these. I love these. Look at the writing. I like that. This is what I can smell. It smells blooming gorgeous. Oh, it's so nice. It is so nice. Oh, I can't wait to use that. Apply directly to wet hair and skin. Work into a lather and rinse off thoroughly. It just says blended with a unique combination of seaweed extract, aloe vera and natural spring water. This environmentally friendly shampoo bar is completely natural and vegetable based and will leave your hair and body feeling clean and fresh. Yeah, I love that. Next, we've got a nail polish and this is by Green. It contains potato, corn, manioc, wheat, cocoa and bamboo. It's a natural nail colour by Manicurist. I love that colour. But I have gels, so I'm yeah, a bit wasted on me, but my daughter would love this. Oh, that is such a gorgeous colour. All my toenails. I don't have my toenails gelled. But yeah, the Green range is kind to the environment and this colour will coat your nails with a popping summer ready red and it's 84% natural ingredients. Is that? Next we've got a face cream by First Aid Beauty, and we've got 28.3 grams here. Safe for sensitive skin, intense hydration for dry, parched skin. I've tried this before and it is a really lovely cream, especially for dry skin. Yeah, lovely. Next we've got a blush from NARS, and we've got it in Taj Mahal. Have I tried this before? I don't know. I've received Orgasm before in a Latest and Beauty collection box. Oh look, oh so cute. That is super, super cute. Look how small that is. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's swatch a bit. I'm more inclined to use that as an eyeshadow. That is quite a shimmery blush. That is beautiful. It's not oh my gosh, that is stunning actually. Gorgeous on deeper skin tones. Oh, yeah, absolutely. We've got a product by This Works, and this is Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum. Hyaluronic acid and slow release vitamin C help plump and brighten morning skin, and there's 10 mils there. That. There we got a product by Oskia London. This is Super C Smart Nutrient Beauty Capsules, and there's 7 in here. Okay, vitamin C capsules. It's got little capsules there. A week's worth. It says Super C Beauty Capsules contain a supercharged blend of smart nutrients and actives to boost skin's health, protect, hydrate and nourish for youthful, radiant skin. There's that. Next, we've got a product by MZ Skin by Dr. Mariam Zamani. If I said that right. This is Lift and Lustre Antioxidant Glow Serum. It's got 5 mils there. Nice little bottle there. A lustrous liquid gold serum rich in stem cells for instant complexion revival and radiance. 5 powerful actives dramatically lift and tighten the skin's appearance, minimize visible fine lines, deliver a natural soft focus luminosity and defend against environmental stresses. Skin is primed for lasting radiance. If you've heard or tried any products from this brand, please let me know down below. Okay, well, next product we got from Pry. This is Throat and Decolletage Cream. 15 mils here. Oh, I've tried this before and it's lovely. But I keep forgetting to use cream for my chest. Maybe I should keep this by the side of the bed at night to do it then. It feels really nice. It does feel really nice. It's got a neck and decolletage cream. We got a product by Chloris, and this is Superior CBD. This is a Super Boost Face Oil, and there's 10 mils here. Chloris are creators of science-backed premium grade CBD products. 100% natural. Supercharged with clean, high-performing ingredients and absolutely nothing unnecessary. A sophisticated way to nurture your skin's vitality and defend against daily external stresses, preserving its natural beauty and well-being. Cruelty-free and vegan as well. Then we've got a lip crayon by Laura Mercier. This is Dominate Velvet Extreme Matte Lipstick. Gorgeous colour. Ooh. It's more pinky than red. You see there? That's really pretty. Really pretty. I love lip crayons. Super easy to draw on your lips. Act as a lipstick and a lip liner in one. Yeah, I really like that. And Laura Mercier as well. Yeah. So there's that. And then last item in the box, we have got a Biossance Squalene and Omega Repair Cream, a deeply moisturising face cream, and there's 15 mils here. So again, a new brand I haven't heard of before. It's in a language I don't recognise. I don't know, where's it? It doesn't say much about it. I keep forgetting. We've got this, haven't we? Enriched with dew-delivering lipids and ceramides, this powerful and deeply hydrating formula will penetrate your skin and leave you with an enhanced glow and a brightened, plump, healthy-looking complexion. Ooh. And with the dewy serum, as well. Oh, nice packaging. Let's try it on this hand, as everything seems to go on this one. No, there's no fragrance to it. It feels really nice on the skin. It's quite a thick cream, but it's absorbed really nicely into my hand. I keep going to sniff things all the time. I'm like a flipping dog. So we've got a repair moisturising cream. So those are all 13 products inside this box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we got an Easy Updo here by Sam McKnight, texturising spray. We've got a Shampoo and Conditioner Duo for oily and thick hair. We've got a nail polish from the Green range by the brand Manucurist. We've got a NARS blush in shade Taj Mahal. We've got a facial moisturiser for dry parched skin by First Aid Beauty. We've got a hyaluronic serum by This Works. We've got a Chloris Super Boost CBD oil. We've got a Pry Ageless Neck and Decolletage cream. We've got a Grown Alchemist face primer. We've got an Ishka hair and body wash solid bar. We've got 7 Oskia Super C skin capsules. We've got a Laura Mercier lip crayon in shade Dominate. We've got a Repair moisturising cream by Biossance. And lastly, we've got a Lift and Lustre Glow Serum by MZ Skin. The cost of the box is £45. It contains 13 products and has a value of around £200. There's some really lovely products in there. I cannot wait to try the texturising spray. I cannot wait to get my hands on it. I love the Laura Mercier lip crayon as well. The glow serums and the like dewy moisturisers as well. They sound really nice. So yeah, so thank you to Latest in Beauty for sending this box out to me. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.